Hey lovelies, it's Deanna. Welcome back to my channel, Goodness Greenish. I hope all is well in your world. Okay, so this is my first video in 2020. Kind of a interesting time, right? We're all shelter in place, at least we are here out in Texas, Dallas specifically. And so firstly, I just hope that you are doing well, health-wise, mental-wise, physically, all of that. So just sending only happy, good, loving vibes your way. The last month for me, it's definitely been challenging. I've been homeschooling my second grader. He is amazing, but it is definitely challenging. And not that I didn't have mass respect for teachers before all of this. I mean, seriously, mass respect. And props to you all. And you should be paid a bazillion dollars for doing what you do. Not that I don't love my child, so please don't. It's not about that at all. It's just some people are meant to be teachers and some people are not. But I am trying to enjoy my time at home, especially with my family, my husband, and my kiddo. Making more home-cooked meals. I think that's a really important thing. I started a garden, or I'm doing seedlings right now, but they will be going into like a container garden kind of thing. Maybe I'll do a video on that. It's definitely interesting, and I'm completely nerding out on that whole thing. So anyway, and then I'm also trying to just avoid eating so many carbs and candies and chips and bad food, and it's been really difficult. So that's how my self-isolation shelter in place is going for me. So I thought I would do a video, and you're probably asking, why are you doing a video now? I mean, it's April, so April of 2020, and you haven't done one all year. Well, for one thing, Beautycounter has a lot of new products, and one that's specifically launching today, and it's a really big launch, and I can't wait to talk to you about it. So I thought I would just do one video with all of their new products, just kind of a quick overview on each one of them instead of doing a video for each product. So there's that. Plus, I miss you guys. I usually spend a ton of time on Instagram, Facebook. I have a Facebook VIP group, as well as a page that I'll put down the links to this video. I'll put them there if you want to connect with me there as well. So there's that. Now, if you're new to this channel, if this is the first time you are watching, a little bit about me. I've been a makeup artist for over 20 years. I've been a portrait photographer for 10, and I've been with Beautycounter for almost 5 years. Incredible, right? I love this company. I have been anybody that has worked with me, any of my friends and my associates, they know that I would never back up a product, whether it's Beautycounter or certain lines, because I definitely recommend other lines. I do test out other clean beauty lines, and I would never recommend something that I didn't believe in wholeheartedly. For one thing with Beautycounter is their passion for advocating for safer beauty laws, their passion for ingredients, and they ban over 1,800 different ingredients. When I first started with them, and up until a few months ago, they banned 1,500. So now they ban 1,800. They are on top of it. They are constantly testing. They actually test every single ingredient that they use. So our ingredient selection process is crazy. We third-party test everything that we produce. They're just an amazing company for that reason. But then we also have innovative and products that actually work. We have 80% of our products are naturally derived, are plant-based. We are not all natural, and just because some product is all natural does not mean that it's better. Firstly, because it just doesn't work, the efficacy behind it. I've tried other brands that are all natural. There are some that are great, there are some that are not. So just because it says it's all natural does not mean that it's a better line, or it's safer, because that's not necessarily true either. I will do a whole video, I think, specifically on that, and then other resources that you can look up to help you on your clean beauty journey. Because most likely you're watching this because of the clean beauty aspect. Okay, so anyway, and then another cool thing about Beautycounter that just happened this year is that they created a science, it's a advisory board that really helps with our ingredients and test them, and to also do the research. So we do our own research on ingredients, which I think is incredible. I think that could actually help the FDA out a lot right now without getting too much into that. Okay, so not only are their products safe, I trust this brand. I trust everything that they do because they are so honest and transparent. You can go to the website, you can click on any ingredient on there and it will tell you, is it synthetic, is it natural, what we use it for, etc. So that's the one reason, because of their transparency. Very hard to find companies, especially with fragrance. We will notate every single ingredient that we use because we don't use synthetic fragrance. We only use natural, like essential oils and things like that, that come naturally from the plant-derived ingredient. But we actually list it. And even some other natural companies don't necessarily list what they use under fragrance or flavors. Okay, I'll get off my little soapbox there, and we'll get to the first product that's brand new with Beautycounter. Okay, so the first products I wanted to talk about that's brand new to Beautycounter, I guess it's been a few weeks, is Counterstart. Ooh. This is basically an entry-level skincare line is the way I like to put it. It's simple, it's basic, it's for a person that's new to skincare, or maybe that wanted to try Beautycounter to see how these products work. Low maintenance, meaning I just want a cleanser and I just want a moisturizer. I don't want anything else. This is going to be for you. Also for sensitive skins. So this is Counterstart. It's the Cococream cleanser. It's actually very comparable as far as texture to like CeraVe or Cetaphil, but it's without parabens or without polyethylene glycol. I can go on and on. It's just an all-around better product as far as safety, and I believe that it works really well. It's coconut oil based. There's also aloe in there. So it's gentle, but it's going to clean. And then also the Counterstart moisturizer. Very, very light. It's not oil free, but it's super lightweight. Doesn't have much of a smell. Either one of them have much of a scent, which I like. And with any of Beautycounter products as well, if you do smell something, that is natural. So it'll eventually dissipate. Don't worry about it if it's something that you don't really like scents. For me, I don't really care for many scents, but I actually enjoy some of the smells of our different skincare and body products. So there's that. So that's Counterstart. And the cleanser, I think they're really well priced too. So $20. And again, that's the Counterstart Coco Cream Cleanser. And this will work with any regimen, really. And then the Counterstart Cocoboost Moisturizer. And that is $29. So $29 US, $38 Canada. Cleanser is $20 US, $26 Canadian. Counterstart. Okay, so the next product is Countermatch Refresh Foaming Cleanser. I'm in love with this product, actually. I use the Countertime cleansing oil, and then I use the cleansing balm as well. I work for the company, so I can try out and test out all the different products and see which one I like and kind of go back and forth. But we definitely needed a foaming cleanser. And it smells like plum too. It just smells really good. Again, natural, it will dissipate, but when I'm washing my face, it just smells nice. But all you have to do, it's a foaming cleanser. I should have done this with the Counterstart. But as you can see, a little bit of that. I do have a water spray bottle here, just so you can kind of see. Just a little test-a-rooney. So see how that's foaming up. And what I like about it is that it's not drying, but it feels like it's really cleaning my face. So it's not going to strip your skin of oils. It's going to clean nicely. It's made with squalane, which is going to help like lock in the moisture, but also help with elasticity, which is a really important thing, I think, when you're cleaning your face. especially when you have older skin right here, more mature skin. Also has phytic acid, so it's gently exfoliating the skin, so it helps with faster cell renewal, that kind of thing. So I love this, and it's priced at $32. That's the new Countermatch Refreshing Foaming Cleanser. Yay! Okay, and for the final product, and it launches today, it is the fabulous Counter Plus All Bright C Serum. Yes, serum. It's very exciting. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, just during the day. I use it actually under my moisturizer. And I've never used a vitamin C serum. I've used products that have had vitamin C in it, but not that's potent like this. So it has 10% vitamin C. And apparently with vitamin C, it can be unstable. And the reason, I guess, what makes it unstable or can make it unstable is packaging. If it's not in an airtight container like this is, it's also an opaque container, just like this. Although the serum is this color because of the turmeric, which is an amazing antioxidant, is that once it hits light and air, it can lose its efficacy. So 10% potent for an over-the-counter type of product. And it also has camu in there, which is another amazing antioxidant, as well as the turmeric. And what that helps with is dark spots, fine lines. It helps reduce the appearance of that, of the fine lines, uneven skin tone. Actually, the vitamin C helps produce more collagen as well as in the skin. The vitamin C also helps with brightening. That's the one thing I definitely have noticed. I have a dark spot right here, so I will keep you posted. Again, I've been using it for 2 weeks, and I haven't been doing it every day because I kind of keep forgetting about it because it's a new product. So I'm using the overnight resurfacing peel in the evening, and then this one during the day, and together they are kind of the dynamic duo if you're looking for something that's going to work. Now, again, I'm a little older than some of you, so I have those things that I'm working on. But again, the vitamin C is going to help with that. And it also, not only does it correct, it helps protect. It helps protect you from environmental stressors, free radicals. That's the kind of the cool thing with that. It's like an amped up version of sunscreen because it is protecting your skin. It's just like ching, 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 which is fabulous. So it protects, it corrects, and I will get back to you after 6 to 8 weeks of using this to see how this dark spot fades. I'm really, really hoping that it does because I love the peel. And again, you know, for over-the-counter kind of things, you're not going to get the full-blown medical grade type of products. But then if you do get the medical grade, that will kind of take care of that. You're also getting the harmful ingredients that are usually connected with that as well. So anyway, during the day, underneath your moisturizer, it's 79, 10% vitamin C. So it's a really worker bee type of product. Yeah, so this launches today. Reach out to your consultant to help you with that. And then all of the other products are available as well. If you don't have a consultant, I would love to help you. I'd be more than honored to help you and be your consultant. With any of my clients, I am a resource for them, whether it's ingredient selection, looking up other products and other lines, you know, to just kind of compare. I'm there to help you, as well as makeup consultations and that kind of a thing. So please reach out to me. All my links are below, especially my Instagram. Let's connect on Instagram. Let's connect on Facebook. And please reach out to me with any questions. Okay, so hang in there. Hopefully this shelter in place will end soon, and then we can get back to our regular lives. But in the meantime, please stay well, be well, and be healthy. Okay? Okay, take care.